Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project we are building a 16 by 20 gable shed with double front doors, side windows and a small side door. Begin by preparing a solid and level foundation for your 16 by 20 gable shed. Depending on your local building codes and soil type, you can use concrete piers, a slab, or a gravel pad. Mark the layout with stakes and string, ensuring it is square by checking diagonal measurements. Excavate the site if necessary, then install the foundation material. For a concrete slab, pour and level the concrete, allowing it to cure fully before proceeding. Using pressure-treated 2x6 or 2x8 lumber, construct the floor frame as per the plan specifications. Install joists at the recommended spacing, typically 16-inch on center, for a sturdy base. Secure the frame to the foundation with appropriate anchors, such as hurricane ties or anchor bolts. Once the frame is secure, attach plywood or OSB sheets for the floor decking, ensuring the edges are flush and the panels are fastened with screws or nails. Cut all 2x4 components for the walls according to the dimensions in the plan. Assemble the front, back, and side wall frames on a flat surface, ensuring the corners are square. Frame out openings for the double door, window, and single door as per the layout. Secure the studs, top plates, and bottom plates using 3.5-inch screws or nails. Add headers above the openings to provide additional support. Raise the wall frames into place, starting with the back wall, then the side walls, and finally the front wall. Temporarily brace the walls to hold them upright. Use a level to ensure the walls are plumb and the corners are square before securing them to the floor frame with screws or nails. Add metal brackets or straps at the corners for added stability. Build or purchase prefabricated trusses for the gable roof, following the specified pitch, e.g., 6/12, to meet your structural and aesthetic needs. Position the trusses evenly along the top plates, typically 24-inch on center, and secure them with hurricane ties or screws. Check the alignment and ensure the trusses are evenly spaced for proper roof support. Once the trusses are secured, attach OSB or plywood roof sheathing to create a solid surface for the roofing material. Start at the bottom edge, working your way up to the ridge. Ensure the panels are staggered for added strength and leave a small gap between panels for expansion. Secure the sheathing with screws or nails, following the recommended spacing. Cover the roof with a layer of roofing underlayment or felt paper, starting at the bottom edge and overlapping each row. Secure the material with staples or roofing nails. Install drip edge flashing along the eaves and rake edges to protect against water intrusion. Lay asphalt shingles or your chosen roofing material, starting with a starter strip at the bottom edge, and work upward, overlapping each row. Fit the pre-hung doors and window into their respective openings. Secure the frames with screws or nails, ensuring they are level and plumb. Add shims where necessary to ensure a snug fit. Apply weather stripping or caulk around the edges for an airtight and watertight seal. Install the door hardware, such as hinges, handles, and locks. Attach your chosen siding material, e.g., T1-11, vinyl, or LP Smart Side, to the wall frames, starting from the bottom and working upward. Use screws or nails and ensure each piece is securely fastened. Add trim around the doors, windows, and corners to enhance the shed's appearance and seal any gaps. Paint or stain the siding and trim for added protection and aesthetics. Complete the project by adding gutters, vents, and any additional features like a ramp or shelving. Inspect the shed for any missed screws or nails, and touch up any paint or stain. Clean the worksite and step back to admire your new 16 by 20 gable shed. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.